Hi guys, so we're back again, and the reason why we came back is because we really showed you a not that great of a video of this park, and there's so much more that you can do here. You know, in the summertime, of course, but there's also more dock. It's not just walking in dirt. It's more of a dock. So let me just show you exactly how we're walking here. See? More of a dock that you walk through. And there's also a playground where we're actually heading now. Basketball court, which I'll show you. Picnic area where you can sit down and, you know, drink your coffee. But actually, we're moving to Florida. Exactly, Carter. Are you excited about that? Are you excited to go to Florida? Why are you excited about Florida? It's all what? There's a lot of things, right? So, it just shows you can go this way, back to the main entrance. And again, still swampy, wooded area. But again, in the summertime. In the summertime, yeah. Summertime, it is very nice. It's a little nature walk. I'm sure if we were in Florida, you wouldn't be walking next to swamps like that, huh, babe?
Oh, no.
You have to worry about alligators. But I'm sure there's nice areas. I've seen some YouTubers that have took us on their hike walk in the morning and, you know, different areas of Florida.
Around Orlando.
Around Orlando area.
Oh, a lot of people fishing.
Fishing, oh, we love to fish. We love fishing, we love crabbing. That'll be definitely an experience we want to experience there. So, here's all the docks. You can walk down. You can go each way. You can go this way, baby. So you can go that way if you want to. You can go this way. Brings you back to the parking lot where we originally came in. So like I said, there is a picnic area where you can definitely sit down and, you know, it's weather like this, drink your coffee. You can't guarantee it's going to stay hot very long. But you could try. Alright, everybody follow Carter, he said. Where are we going, Carter? We're going that way. You see your car? More people walking. Take a walk.
What's up,
Charlie.
Charlie?
Definitely isn't a mean dog.
Yeah, he's upset right now.
Oh, stop it, Charlie.
Charlie has to learn how to be a little more friendly.
Yes, well, he is friendly. He just thinks he's a pit bull. Yeah, he's really not at all.
20-pound stuff guy.
So they show you some pictures here. That's exactly where we're at. And I guess that was before and after of the park. Here's a little picnic area, playground. Okay. And there's the park. A little park. A little something to do on a nice day like today.
Even though it's cold.
Even though it's cold. And they don't charge you to get in here. See, there's the basketball court. Bathroom. Flag. Nice little kid area. Let me just show you the picnic area. Whew, that wind. So, this is our, I guess, the rules in the park. Do not use equipment when wet. No running, pushing. You know, typical playground rules. So it looks like I'm going on playground area. Just a little kid. Oh boy. Oh, slide. And there's a picnic area. I actually had a friend that had a birthday party here. It's pretty nice. Kids had a good time. They had barbecues. I guess there may be more trails somewhere along the line. Never went back there at all. Basketball court. And tough guy Charlie. And there goes Carter, our son Carter. Again, he's 4 years old. He's in preschool. He's a good boy. Alright guys, so I'm officially going to end this video. I just wanted to introduce us, let us know where we're from. I hope you liked our video. There'll be many more to come. So please like, subscribe, and comment what you thought about our first video, Vlog 1. And hit that notification bell because there's going to be many more videos. And we hope you enjoy our journey. Come with us because we will be heading to Florida in a couple months. Bye YouTube. Have a good day.